If you're thinking about signing up for Galaxy.AI because it replaces all your AI tools for one low price, you might want to hit pause. In many real world cases, using Galaxy.AI actually ends up more expensive and less powerful than just paying for the main platforms directly. Galaxy.AI is marketed as an all in one AI platform that gives you access to thousands of tools, chatbots, image generators, video tools, code assistants, and more. Instead of simple, flat pricing for each tool, almost everything in Galaxy.AI runs on a shared monthly credit system, usually around 15 million credits per month on a standard or lifetime plan. On the surface, that sounds huge, 15 million credits for a low monthly price. But once you start using heavy tools like long videos or high resolution images, those credits can disappear much faster than you expect. Here's the problem. Every action burns credits, and the platform does not clearly show you the real cost per task up front. A simple chat prompt may use only a few thousand credits, but image batches and video renders can jump into the hundreds of thousands or even millions of credits at a time. For example, this 16-second HeyGen avatar video cost 1.3 million credits. Simple math puts this at 81,250 credits per second. A 15-minute video would then cost 73,125,000 credits. When you hit your 15 million credit limit, you have to buy more, often in bundles that work out to several dollars per extra million credits. Reviews from real users show that people who use Galaxy.ai for serious work can easily slide from the advertised about $15 per month into $50, $100, or even more once they factor in top ups. So Galaxy.ai feels cheap when you sign up, but can become very expensive once you start producing content at scale. Now let's look at why going directly to the main platforms like video, design, or image tools is usually more cost effective. First, think about avatar video tools like HeyGen. Native plans are typically straightforward. You pay a flat monthly price and can create a large number of avatar videos under clear rules. Once your subscription is paid, every additional video effectively lowers your cost per video. Inside Galaxy.ai, those same avatar style generations can consume millions of credits per video. As I illustrated a minute ago, a single 10 to 15-minute video can burn through most or all of your monthly credits and force you to buy more. In practice, that often costs more than just paying HeyGen directly. Next, consider design work in Canva. Canva Pro or Teams plans charge a predictable per user price, and that unlocks templates, brand kits, collaboration, and built in AI tools under one clear subscription. If your team is constantly creating social posts, slides, and marketing assets, the cost per asset drops the more you use it. But if you try to do similar work inside Galaxy.ai, every batch of generated assets chips away at your shared credit pool, on top of whatever you still pay Canva for its collaboration features. For active creators, the native Canva subscription usually wins both on price and workflow. The same story shows up with image generators like Leonardo AI. Leonardo's own plans give you a defined number of fast tokens and clear monthly limits at known price points. Heavy image work inside Galaxy.ai, by contrast, can burn credits so fast that your real monthly bill jumps far beyond a direct Leonardo subscription. Cost is only part of the issue. Many Galaxy.ai integrations do not expose the full power of the original tools. A lot of models inside Galaxy.ai are light versions. You often get a single prompt box and a couple of presets instead of the advanced controls you would see inside the native platform. Things like detailed quality settings, aspect ratio controls, fine-tuning sliders, and bulk tools are limited or missing. You also lose the ecosystem. Canva gives you brand kits, shared libraries, and real-time collaboration inside one interface. Image platforms like Leonardo include custom model training, asset organization, and project management. Video tools give you timelines, editing, subtitles, and export presets. Inside Galaxy.ai, you usually just get a single generation window. You may still need to download assets and then re-upload them into the real platform to do serious editing and collaboration. That means more friction, more time, and more room for things to break. Galaxy.ai does have a place. If you are just experimenting, trying lots of different AI tools a few times each month, and you care more about convenience than depth, it can be a fun sandbox. You get to sample many tools without creating a dozen accounts. But as soon as you become a serious creator agency or business, someone who publishes content every week and needs reliable workflows, the limits of this all-in-one approach start to hurt more than they help. Here is a smarter strategy. Step 1, list what you actually do most: avatar videos, social graphics, product photos, sales pages, or long form content. Focus on the workflows you use every week, not the tools you might try once. Step 2, subscribe directly to the 3 to 4 platforms that matter most for those workflows. Maybe a chat or writing tool, Canva for design, Leonardo for images, HeyGen for avatar video, or a similar stack. You will get full features, better performance, and predictable monthly or yearly pricing. Step 3, if you want, keep Galaxy.AI as a secondary lab for testing new tools, but do not rely on it as your main production engine. So before you jump into Galaxy.AI because it looks like a bargain, run the real world math. If you are serious about content, you are usually better off paying directly for the platforms you actually use and getting full features, better quality, and a bill you can predict every month. If you found this helpful, follow for more breakdowns of AI tools, pricing, and workflows that actually make sense for real creators.